Ali ove kolege da se vidi, da se vidi situacija da mene ljuče što mu treba.
Pa ima će i njih bude, nije zveća gdje će se
Ti kako poznat šta je iskustva možda napravila ovdje? Općenito zbrinjavanje i Hrvata i...
Her only care is to help the needy ones.
Zahvaljujem se na posjetu.
Please thank you very much for your visit.
Drago mi je da je osoba s takvim na humanitarnom.
And we're very glad to have such a person. This is the largest hospital in the east part of Adriatic Sea.
Jedina bolnica u Hrvatskoj koja nije suša.
And the only hospital in the south part of Croatia that has not been damaged. The wounded and ill people, never mind the Chanel.
To 31.
And until the end of last month.
Mi smo liječili 19.500 ljudi iz Bosne i Hercegovine.
19,500 people, 800,000 examinations, expertizing examinations, 25% of,
19.500.
out of this number of 19,500, 75%, there is 250 to Muslims in these hospitals being treated.
Zahvaljujemo se.
The ambulance of HEO brought in a Muslim girl of age of 14.
Koja je operirana od humanitarnog pitanja.
What would be the general situation if there are any questions?
Samo nam reći kako se ljudi zovu ako vam nije teško.
Would you like to present the people?
They know better.
Seems so.
This is Anna and August Sipra.
Anna
i August Sipra.
Da.
Thank you.
Recite još onda, možda da se nadamo da će pomoći da